Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I thought I would do a tag video, as you can probably see from the title. Because I haven't done one in a while and thought it'd be fun, kind of like an old school YouTube one. So yeah, I hope you enjoy learning a bit more about me. And if you just keep watching, I'll start with 50 facts about me. And also don't forget to subscribe while you're here. The big red button is down below. So I've got all the facts written on my phone because I can't remember 50 things about myself. Fact number 1, I'm an Aquarius. I was born on 24th January, which makes me an Aquarius. Number 2, my first pet was a cat called Stitch. Number 3, Katie is actually just my nickname, it's not my actual name, but I don't really like my actual name, and my parents have never called me by my actual name, they've always just called me Katie. Fun fact. Fact number 4, I absolutely hate Nutella. I know that everyone loves Nutella, but I think it's foul. I hate hazelnuts. I think that hazelnuts are the worst thing to ever happen to chocolate. I think it's an abomination. Just saying. And if you agree with me, please comment down below because hardly anyone doesn't like Nutella. It's nice to see other people who don't like it. Number 5, my lucky number is 7, which if I'd been thinking I could have put that as number 7. Number 6, I'm not a morning person. I definitely struggle to get out of bed in the morning. Yeah, I think I get that from my mum because my dad's quite a morning person, whereas me and my mum like to stay in bed. Number 7, I am qualified as competent crew on yachts, so like sailing boats. Yeah, I did it when I was 16. I went on one of the RYA courses. My dad used to be a sailing instructor, so he wasn't my sailing instructor for that, but that's why I did it. Number 8, I do not eat meat. However, I do eat fish. So technically pescatarian, but I don't like the sound of words, so I call myself a vegetarian. Number 9, I have a 12-year-old rabbit called Lily, and that's spelled with 3 L's in total, not 2. I don't like it when Lily's only spelled with 2 L's, spelled 3, L-I-L-L-Y. Number 10, my favourite books as a kid were The Princess Diaries. All 10 of them, I absolutely loved them. I think I still have the books up in my loft at home. Number 11, I saw One Direction live 5 times and they're still my favourite band. Number 12 is following on from number 11. I used to have a One Direction fan account. The @ was 1D4EVA because 12-year-old me thought that was cool. I no longer have that handle, I think someone else does because I deleted the account. Number 13, I could never live anywhere that wasn't a city or suburbs of a very large city. Number 14, Bridget Jones's Diary is my favourite film. If you hadn't guessed already, I'm sure I've mentioned it in other videos. Number 15, I actually hated English Lit until year 9 when I had a really cool teacher who we hardly did any work, but he made me love the subject, and now I'm studying it at uni. Number 16, when I'm excited or annoyed, my voice goes a much higher pitch, much to the annoyance of my friends and family. Number 17, I am an only child. I'm also an only grandchild on my dad's side because my dad is also an only child, and I'm the only granddaughter on my other side because my mum's brother only has 1 son. Oh no, I've lost my place. Number 18, I took a gap year before I came to uni. Number 19, my favourite TV show is Pretty Little Liars. Number 20, I am agnostic. If you didn't know, I also study philosophy, which means I kind of study a lot about, well not really, but also kind of about God and religion, and I personally do not subscribe to a religion, but I definitely think there's something, which makes me agnostic. Number 21, I'm sure many people will be offended by this, but I fell asleep during every single Harry Potter film, and I only watched them last year. Number 22, I read all 3 Hunger Games books in 3 days. I can't remember how old I was, I think it was after the first film came out, but that was really good for me because I'm not actually the biggest reader in the world. Number 23, I have been to 17 different countries. Number 24, my favourite food is pasta, always has been, probably always will. Number 25, I have an extremely sweet tooth, especially for chocolate. If you want to send me anything ever, I want Cadbury's please. Number 26, I can eat a lemon without wincing. My best friend Hannah always thought this was really weird as a kid that I could just outright eat a lemon without making a face. Number 27, mentioning Hannah. I've known Hannah, my best friend, since I was 8 months old. I met her on my first day of, I was going to say uni, not a uni, my first day of nursery, and we've been friends ever since. Number 28, I have a reoccurring nightmare of waking up with bugs crawling in my bed, and when I say crawling in my bed I mean like thousands, and every single time I have to jump out of bed, run to the light and switch it on just to make sure there actually isn't anything there. Number 29, I'm both a cat and a dog person. I have had a cat in the past. As I said, my first pet was a cat named Stitch, but I have also been begging for a dog for years. Number Number 30, if I don't like food or drink, I physically cannot swallow it. E.g. beer. I cannot swallow beer for the life of me because I just hate it. It's disgusting. Number 31, on the topic of drinks, my favourite cocktail is a mojito. Number 32, my favourite place to go on holiday as a child was Yarmouth on the Isle of Wight. It's a very nice little harbour town where they have one of the stations of the lifeboats in the UK as well. Nice little town if you've been there. Number 33, I want a house in London, a house in LA and a flat in Paris if I ever have enough money to do so. So I need to get rich somehow. Number 34, my current celebrity crush is Shawn Mendes. I saw him live. I've seen him live before, but I saw him live at a festival that I went to. I've also got a vlog of that. I will link it down below. But yeah, he's my current celebrity crush. The Lost in Japan video, feeling all the feels. Very, very good video. Number 35, I am 1/16 Irish, but I'm pretty sure the rest of me is English. Number 36, I've lived in the same house since I was born. Obviously not this house, this is my house at uni, but my house at home that me and my mum live in was my first house, and we still live there. Number 37, I was born with jaundice and they had to wrap me up in bubble wrap and put me under a special little light. And my parents actually didn't name me for the first few days that I was born, so my dad just called me Bubble, and he still does sometimes call me Bubble. Number 38, my favourite song is Enchanted by Taylor Swift. It's on her Speak Now album. If you haven't heard it, go listen to it. It's a beautiful song. Number 39, I worked in retail for a year, which I both loved and hated, and learned a lot about humanity and what people are really like. Number 40, I passed my driving test the first time, however I had to sit my theory twice. Number 41, I have sat the American SATs 3 times, but I was extremely ill every single time I took them. Number 42, I always sleep with a blanket. Can I sleep with a blanket? Here's my blanket at uni, just from Primark. All of my blankets from Primark. At my dad's house I have about 4 blankets because he likes to steal them for the living room. Number 43, I am 5'7". Number 44, I did not get ID'd when buying drinks on my 18th birthday. Still saddens me to this day. But I get ID'd everywhere now. And this is almost 3 years later. Number 45, Christmas is my favourite time of year. I love buying presents for people, so it just makes me happy inside. Number 46, I have never broken a bone, believe it or not. Number 47, I forgot that I'd written I hate Nutella up at the top, and I've written it again, so you're getting the same fact twice because I really hate Nutella. Number 48, I named my parents' boat when I was a child. It's called Dolphin. Original. 5-year-old me was so original. Number 49, I'm petrified of heights. I hate looking out the window on planes until we're above clouds. Last time I went on the London Eye, which was years and years ago, because I just won't go on it again. I had a panic attack. I really, really hate heights. And number 50, when I am studying, I always have to have the TV or some kind of music on in the background. I cannot work in silence. I really don't like full out silence, but I like to have something entertaining me whilst I'm doing my work. That is 50 facts about me. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said before, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, give this video a like, and also give it a comment down below. Tell me some facts about yourself, and I will see you in my next one.